Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this wind chime to do a review on from the manufacturer. This wind chime is primarily designed to give as a gift to someone who recently lost a loved one to help comfort them during their grieving process. So let's open it up, see its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, it's packed very nicely. Here's a card from the manufacturer. Here's a card that it comes with. It says for you, and it has a poem or a letter from heaven. And again, this is designed to give to someone who recently lost a loved one or a family member and serve as a reminder of them. Okay, as you can see, it's already assembled together. Each of the tubes do have a plastic protection cover on them. We'll go ahead and take these off. Okay, now we can get a look at it. It's very beautiful. Comes with a hook that you can hang the uh, Chimes on, a personalized suspension platform, then 6 silver heavy walled aluminum tubes for a beautiful sound. Has the rust protection coating on each tube. This is an adjustable dense striker. You can adjust it, this cord, high or lower. And then we'll look at the bottom. So if we take a look at the very bottom, it has the 3-dimension Hummingbird, black in color. It has the emblem of the tree of life. Then on the back side, it reads, listen to the wind and think of me. And it has some music notes. I'm always in your heart. So this will always serve as a reminder. So let's hang it up, see how it looks and sounds. So this is a perfect spot for your back deck, patio area, or garden. Has a beautiful sound, looks great. Might add, this does come in several different colors. This is, of course, the silver. Comes in green. You can get it in dark green, black, rose gold, and so forth. So this would be the perfect gift for a grieving loved one, and I highly recommend this wind chime.